Jennifer here, DFW Rent Houses. I'm completing the move-in inspection for 1507 Parrot Street, or Court, in DeSoto. And today is July 1st, 2025. And the tenants are running late, so they're not present. So there was just touch-up paint done before the tenants moved in, or moving in, and a professional clean, and just a few minor maintenance. That right there's dirty. I checked all the appliances and all sinks and tubs and showers, and they all work. As you can hear, the dishwasher is going right now. So there is this existing burn mark, and yeah, still works. This is like all rusted out. That should be either repainted or replaced soon. Refrigerator. Is ice in there. I just turned it on, and the water works. You can see some of the touch-up paint. So like on that wall on the right, you can see it. And even over here on the left wall. And up here. And the living room floor was repaired. But as you can see right there, it's already bubbling up. And right there. Overall looks better, but there is still, like, especially this one, is yeah, there's some air, like an air pocket. Okay, this blind is still broke. Let's go to the backyard. So the lawn is nice and cut. And the fence was repaired right there. It was leaning in. Got some green grass, then you got some dead grass. And there's existing damage right there and right there. All right, let's go to the master. So the floor is all scratched up, and it's just not very clean. Like you can see these, you see that? I don't know if it's what that is from the cleaner. There's a couple patches that does not match. Door frames are a little scuffed up and dirty looking. Walk-in closet. Couple small stains on here. Bathtub looks dirty, but I think it's just stained. So we should definitely get that refinished on the next move out. Okay, let's go to the other two bedrooms. Stain on that door. So yeah, I would say all the floors do have existing scratches. To the third bedroom. looks good in here. All right, now the hallway full bath. The door looks discolored. The one thing that was not repaired in this room yet is the fan. But Carl, our maintenance manager, said that will be repaired in the next couple of weeks. As you can hear. Existing stains right here. Yeah, one of the trim is dirty. Okay. Let's go into the laundry room and garage. Again, right here is dirty, or maybe it's just stained, so that should have been painted, but there's some damage down here. So this door is pretty damaged. Okay, and the garage. Very dirty right here. And that completes the move-in inspection. And again, today is July 1st, 2025.